Okay, so I wanted to do a video about the Tomo Credit Card. Really, it's not much of a credit card. It's more like a charge card, but I wanted to do a video talking about the signing up process for this card from Tomo. So that's what we're going to talk about in this video. But before we get started, I have a quick message. Welcome to the video. If you're new here, my name is Duane with How to Build Credit TV. And on this channel, I talk about credit cards, and how to make money using credit cards. So be sure to subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Okay, so there's been a lot of hype around this particular card, the Tomo card. And so I said to myself, you know what, let me go ahead and do a video and kind of show you guys the sign up or application process. This card is very, very interesting. And just for the sake of showing you guys what to expect, if you're interested in signing up, I decided to go ahead and do this video. This is actually a pretty decent card for people that are looking to get a credit card without having any kind of credit check or credit history. So I have to commend Tomo and what they've done as far as that is concerned. And I'm just going to go through the process just because I'm intrigued by the fact that there is no hard inquiry. So I was like, well, it's not going to hurt me to, see what's up. So I'm going to go ahead and kind of walk through the process here. I'll kind of give my opinion about this card later on, because there are a lot of goods. There are a lot of good things about this card, and there's also some things that's not so good, especially if you're someone that doesn't like to pay your credit card bill in full every single month. This card may not be the card for you. But I'm going to go ahead and do the sign up process right here. So I'm going to head and enter my email information here and kind of walk through the process. So you do have to provide your banking information. You will have to provide your social security as well, your social security number as well, but they are not going to pull your credit report. So that is one thing that's really cool. So I entered my email address. I'm going to go ahead and click on see if I'm pre-approved. Now, a lot of people don't like when they have to enter stuff pertaining to their banking. I don't have a problem doing that because I'm used to having to link my bank account if I want to do like an online savings account or a money market account. So I'm always used to doing that and verifying my account that way. It says, how old are you? So it's asking me my age. I'll enter 42. Do you have a SSN? Yes, I do. Am I a student? No, I'm not. Let's click the next thing. So right now it's asking me my total monthly income. And then it says, the next thing says total combined bank account balances. So we'll do total monthly income. We'll throw that information in here real quickly. Of course, you guys won't be able to see that good stuff. It says total combined bank account balances. Then I'll hit submit application. Now, once again, I'm really just kind of doing this to kind of see, just because I'm curious and I'm very, very much intrigued. Okay, so it says, congratulations, I'm pre-approved for up to 5,000 in credit. Now, up to 5,000, the wording up to 5,000 doesn't mean I'm going to get $5,000, right? But I'm just kind of doing this video in this process because I feel like I owe it to you guys, since I do have a channel talking about credit, and I'm also intrigued and curious myself. It says enter your phone number and we'll text you when your application is ready. So I'll enter my phone number here, then I'll click finish. It says, thank you. You'll receive your final application soon. In the meantime, please check your email for more details about your application and how to start boosting your cashback. I'm going to go ahead and click on done just to see what ends up happening. Okay, so that actual process was very, very simple. I did enter quite a bit of money as far as the income is required, as far as income is concerned. It says up to $5,000. Once again, understand up to does not mean $5,000 will be my credit limit. That I'm not really impressed about that, but we will see what ends up happening. Now, one of the cool things about this card is you will have the ability to earn 1% cash back on all your purchases. And if you refer two people, you will be bumped from 1% to 2%. So if you're interested in getting this card, the Tomo card, I will have my referral link below this video. You can click on that and go through the link and sign up for this card. Once again, this is a solid card, I think, for people that have no credit. They don't want their credit pulled. They have no history at all. Once again, there are bad things about this card as well as good things. I'll get into that a little bit more in another video, but I just wanted to make this video showing you the sign up process. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this card. Like I said, I will be doing another video that will be more in detail about this particular card, but that's going to be pretty much it for this video. Be sure to stop by the live stream. We do live streams on Mondays at 7 p.m. Central on this channel, How to Build Credit TV, and that way you can interact with the community and have your questions answered live. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, be sure to subscribe to this channel and click that notification bell so you don't miss future videos and updates once I do them. Feel free to share this video on this channel with someone that would benefit from it. All right, once again, my name is Duane with How to Build Credit TV, and I approve this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.